Hello everyone, today I am here to show you my vintage style restored EPCO WR series round halo line hall station. Now as you can see, this is an EPCO fixture, but it was restored with quality and pride by the wonderful people at C.J. Anderson & Company. As you can see, looking at the buttons, they actually look like they are brand new, as if they were installed with the elevator on the day they were put in. Take a look. Very nice. So now, let's see how well these are. They feel very strong and well made. They look very nice, and they're holding up very well. So now, let's take a look at the back. As you can see, there is the white plastic contact assembly, but it is made of polycarbonate, so it can hold up to quite a bit of use very well. And then here are the contact assemblies, which have these curved stainless steel strips and little brass contact tabs right in there. So here's what it looks like when they're in movement. Yeah, very nice. And they can hold up to both regular use like this, or even tough use, where it goes a little over the edge. Incredible. And now, let's see what the buttons look like when illuminated. Here's the up button. And here is the down button. Very impressive, isn't it? So with that being said, here is my vintage style restored EPCO WR series round button hall station, and thank you very much.